Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing your format and locking in a 7-day commitment so habit forms quickly. Once chosen, set a daily 5 15-minute slot and add it to your calendar. This creates a trigger. Next, make a simple 3-line template: date, mood, top 3 actions, and start an entry now. Doing this immediately proves it's manageable and builds momentum. You'll reduce friction and avoid decisions later, which keeps the diary consistent from day one. You now expand each entry with structured prompts that balance reflection and planning. Start with one sentence about how you feel, then list a concrete plan for the day or a quick wins log. This clarifies priorities. Once done, tag entries with simple keywords like #mood or #task so you can filter later and track patterns. Also capture one measurable metric: sleep hours, steps, or focus time, to turn feelings into data. You finish the cycle with brief reviews and sensible cleanup. Do a 10-minute weekly scan of tags to summarize wins and lessons, and once a month archive older entries into folders or an export so your active diary stays lean. If you miss days, don't escalate. Reduce your entry time to 2 minutes, simplify the template, or shift the time of day so it fits your rhythm. This troubleshooting keeps the habit alive without self-judgment and preserves long-term usefulness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.